How to turn off and delete Gemini AI activity. So simply, to turn off and delete your Gemini AI activity, follow these steps. First of all, let's open the Google web browser. Then in the search address bar, type down the Gemini AI and search for it. So as you can see, I am already signed in to my Gemini AI account. So simply tap on the three dashboard at the top left corner of your screen. Then all you have to do is tap on the settings option available at the bottom, settings and privacy. And once you tap on it, simply tap on the activity option available there. Then there you can see turn off option available, simply tap on it. Then tap on turn off and delete activity option available at the bottom and confirm it. Tap on the turn off and tap on the continue and delete it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.